So when they recite the Quran, we say, we're going to give this to such and such person. By post or by... there's no such thing. No such thing that you could make it a parcel. And the madhab which says this is not correct. And Imam Shafi'i and Imam Nawawi dictated this, that Imam Shafi'i says. And I'm not really depending upon Imam Shafi'i, but I'm just saying that Allah Azza said, وَأَن لَيْسَ لِلْإِنسَانِ إِلَّا مَا سَعَى. Person will only see what he has done himself, not the people has done for him. وَأَنَّ سَعْيَهُ سَوْفَ يُرَى. So he said from this verse, the thawab qira'at al-Quran la yasul al-mayt. The excellence or the reward of recitation of the Quran will not reach the person who is dead. Only if a person who is he's got a father and a mother. You should not be saying that I've recited this Quran, I'm giving to my father who is dead. No. Whatever you do from the good deeds, there will be a duplicate, like a copy from your good deed going to your father and your mother without saying anything. And the Prophet of Allah, he said, the person, if he dies, his actions and sayings will cease to benefit him except for three. One of them, a righteous child, son or daughter, making dua for him. Not recitation Quran and for them. No, making dua. And every good deeds, it will transfer to your, copy of it. Rather than to say, this is for my dad, and then you'll be losing it yourself. So always, ikhwani, think about that Allah Azza wa Jal, He will account you for what you did. And also your sons, Prophet of Allah, he said, وَإِنَّ أَطْيَبَ مَا أَكَلَ الرَّجُلُ مِنْ كَسْبِهِ وَإِنَّ وَلَدَهُ مِنْ كَسْبِهِ. Your child and your son, they are from your earnings. Now, ikhwani, they do this as well. They do the qira'ah and they do it like this. When somebody dies, they bring 30 people and each one they give them a para, juz', and each juz', and then, yalla khalas, the 30 juz', yalla, let's give it to the deceased. Quran does not work like this. Do you understand me? Meaning that each one who, let's say for the sake of argument that this will transfer. It does not transfer like this. We add one juz' plus one juz' makes it two juz', then we'll go. It's not like that. It's like when we, let's say 7 people reciting the Fatiha. Each verse, you're saying the verse and I'm saying the verse. So you're saying Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Let's say one verse. I say Rahman ar-Rahim. You say Malik Biddin. And then you say, okay, have we read the Fatiha? None of us read the Fatiha. Each one read what? A verse. But we can say, no, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 7 of us makes a Fatiha. It doesn't work like that. Same thing with these people who give para. And then here's the Quran, the whole of it is being given. Ya ikhwani, don't do things that the Sahaba did not do. They did not really recite the Quran on people when they died and made this khatam on in their death as well. Now.